Hey superstars, we all know that QR codes have changed the way we access data. From event tickets, mobile payments, and even ordering food. Everyone's using them. So we also know that artificial intelligence has been bringing crazy ideas to life. Now when you combine artwork and functionality, that's where it's a true game changer. I'm going to show you how easy it is for you guys to create an AI generated artwork with an embedded working QR code. We're also going to be giving away this t-shirt, so stay tuned to the end for details. All right, so you're going to want to paste the URL that you wish to link. After that, you're going to want to go to your prompts and really put whatever prompt you want. We're putting superhero. Again, you're also going to change the seed. We changed it to 1,000, but you can change it to really just mess around with it however you like. Control the strength, we put it to 1.5. Then you're going to want to generate it. After you generate it, you're going to just download it. Look at the clean graphic. And then after you download it, you are set. And there you guys have it. We DTF printed this detailed superhero. We also did round out the edges so it could be more visually appealing on the t-shirt. We all made this in just a couple of minutes as well. So let's get to pressing. So for the blank, we got our Gildan 2000. It's an antique blue, large ultra cotton, about 6 ounces. This is gonna be perfect for our QR codes. It's just going to be 300 degrees, and it's we're going to pull this out. 7 seconds, 300. Just going to give a good close-up. Just want to see how it's all embedded. I don't know if you can, you see the lines. All right, looks good. All right. Usually, we would go with a 3.5 size, but since it looks a little bit bigger, but yes, the 3.5, what we usually do too is put it in the middle of 4-inch range. So it's 4 inch up and 4 inch across. So it's gonna be right here. So I did put some heat resistant tape on it just so we can make sure that it does not move when we are pressing it. Okay guys? After that, we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna just flip it around. So resistant tape anymore. It is embedded all the way. All right. Okay. Looks good. Let's just take a look at it. A little up close. Not that bad. Not that bad. Looks good. All right. Now let's get to the sleeve. Oh, we're going to be doing the sleeve next. What we're going to be doing is going in from the middle of where the seams are. And since this does have some pressure, we're going to use a heat press pillow flat. Okay. And then we're going to inch to double check this. Looks good. We're going to put some heat resistant tape on it. Since it's smaller, we're just gonna get a microfiber cloth and really just make sure everything is embedded on there. Okay. Make sure everything. All right. So, yeah, it is very, very small, but yes, you can definitely see it. Looks good. There we have it. We got the back. We have the front. And we do. All right. Now let's see if these QR codes still work though. All right, goes into YouTube. Sweet. All right, so let's do it one more time. We're gonna do it for the back. Oh, there we go. Last one we're gonna try is the smallest one. Let's see if it works. Oh, and there you go. It definitely works, and it's on a shirt. Looks good. There you guys have it. We hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we've actually enjoyed making it. We love seeing art come to life. On top of it, we hope you like and subscribe to see notifications for any videos that are gonna be like this. Too, for the details of the giveaway, please enter any superhero and also the place where you guys live down below in the comments. We'll pick one lucky winner. We'll talk to you guys soon.